Striving to be different, we set our goals to create a unique and complete experience by providing a true, comprehensive, one-stop approach within the HVAC and energy management industry. Our various team of experts effortlessly and seamlessly solve complex issues, providing clients with peace of mind and confidence that selecting the complete group of companies is always the right decision. Each entity within the complete group of companies delivers premium services in HVAC, chiller, building automation systems, plumbing, electrical, and emergency generators. Our business model takes a true, customer-centric, unified approach around energy management 24/7, 365 days a year.